Let's take a look at ZBrush's 2.5D mode in this video. When you first launch ZBrush, it starts in 2.5D mode by default. If you close the lightbox and try stroking with a brush in this mode, the result might look confusing. Click the cylinder icon in the tool panel and drag on the canvas. This inserts a cylinder. In 2.5D mode, what you see is just a surface representation. You can clear the canvas by pressing Ctrl-N. Let's insert one cylinder and then switch to 3D mode so we can begin regular sculpting. To switch to 3D mode, click the Edit button or press the Hotkey T. However, if you try to sculpt now, you'll get a warning: this object is still a primitive and needs to be converted into a polymesh. Click Make Polymesh 3D in the tool panel to convert it. Now the cylinder has been converted into a mesh, and you're ready to start sculpting. Currently, the material applied is red wax, so feel free to change it if you prefer something else. The working canvas might feel a bit small, so let's zoom in using the zoom icon. You can scroll with the scroll icon and return to the original size using actual size. These icons can be found under the Document menu. If your interface is customized, use this menu to access them. In the Document menu, you can also check the canvas resolution. Right now, it's set to 1120 pixels wide by 840 pixels high. You can change the resolution to fit your needs. If the Pro button is enabled, it will maintain proportions when resizing, but will turn it off and change the resolution to 1920 by 1080 pixels. After entering the new values, click the Resize button. A warning will appear saying this action can't be undone, but it's fine. Go ahead and press Yes. The canvas will now resize, but you'll notice the cylinder gets stretched horizontally, and the software switches back into 2.5D mode. To fix this, press Shift-N to clear the canvas, reinsert the cylinder, and press the Edit button to return to 3D mode. That's the basic overview of 2.5D mode. Might have been a lot to take in at once, but don't worry. You don't need to memorize it all right away. The easiest way to get started is to open a pre-made project from the Lightbox, for example, the default sphere project. You can use this as your sculpting base and jump straight into sculpting.